The Great Flood has begun with cyclones, rain and floods. Several countries in the Middle East, including China, are as if in the grip of an invisible monster. Black clouds in the sky, a monster-like roaring storm and torrential rain are drowning cities in an instant. Hundreds of trees are falling. Mountains are collapsing. Roads are collapsing. This is causing the saris of dead bodies to lengthen. There is no funeral arrangement. Bodies are floating in the floodwaters. The lives of small children are being found in the pan. More than 600,000 people have fled their homes to save their lives. Not only in China, but also in vast settlements in East Asia are being devastated by the frenzied violence of nature. The number of injured in Taiwan is more than 100. At least 300,000 lives have been lost in floods due to the impact of the storm in Bangladesh and the Philippines. Although the strength of the cyclone has decreased somewhat, the rain ring is still hanging like a death trap in the sky of East Asia. Meteorologists fear that the most terrible chapter may still be ahead. At 11:20 p.m. on Saturday, Typhoon Bavi first hit the coastal city of Yuhuan in China's Zhejiang province. Then, at midnight, it made landfall for the second time in the Yujing area of Wenzhou City. Strong winds and heavy rains brought normal life to a standstill. Chinese state media reported that roads in various areas were submerged underwater. Landslides in the northern mountainous areas caused huge rocks to roll down, disrupting communication. Hundreds of thousands of residents were evacuated to safe places in advance to avoid possible loss of life. Meteorologists said the storm's huge rain ring was still active. The rain cloud, which is the size of France, could bring heavy rain to vast areas of eastern and northern China for several more days, raising the risk of flash floods and landslides. Bavi passed through northern Taiwan before hitting China. Strong winds and heavy rains disrupted life across the island. Emergency services are continuing to rescue people in the affected areas, clear roads and restore power and communications. Earlier, Typhoon Bavi brought heavy rain and strong winds to the Sakishima Islands in southern Japan. Although there were no fatalities in Japan and Taiwan, China, the Philippines and Bangladesh were the hardest hit. Therefore, the highest alert level has been maintained in China, Japan, the Philippines and Bangladesh in East Asia. Abraham from Voice of Igbo.